Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to add signatures on a photo in iPhone. Also I wonder why you want to know how to add signatures on a photo on iPhone. It is because you want to add signatures because you have just written a letter and you want your signatures at the bottom. Or maybe you just want to let other people know that this picture belongs to you, so you just want to add signature, or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, what you have to do is that you just have to simply go to the photos of your mobile phone, and after that you have to go to that picture on which you want to add the signatures. So here this is the picture on which I want to add signature. So for that, first you have to open the picture, and once the picture opens, now what you have to do is that you have to add signatures on it. So for that, what you could do is that on the top you could see we have an option which says edit, which is on the top right side of the screen. You just have to simply tap on it. After that, the editing mode will enable, and there you will see we get different kind of tools through which we can edit our photo. At the top you could see this pen icon which is in the middle. You have to click on this pen icon, and after that you will get some pen tools through which you can translate and can write something on your picture. Along with these options, we have a plus icon which is on the right side of all these options. This one, you just have to simply tap on it, and there you will see four options. From all these four options, you have to select this third option which is signatures. Through this option, we could get signatures on our picture. Once you tap on it, first it will ask you to create your signature. If you have ever created signatures before, they will appear here, but if you have never created any kind of signatures, then you have to create signatures first, then they will appear on the picture. So for that, what you have to do is you just have to use your finger as a pen and draw your signatures on the screen. Just think of that your finger is your pen, and you just have to move it to create your signature. Just put your finger on the screen, and like that just create your signature. If you're okay with that, then you can keep it, but if you think that you want to create new, then you have to click on new, and then you can draw any kind of other signature again. Once you have created your signature, you have to click on this done option. After that, your created signatures will appear on your screen. So here you can see this tiny thing is your signature that you just created. You can make it size bigger, smaller, and can place it wherever you want to paste on the picture. After that, you have to click on save so that your signatures get saved on the picture. Once they get here, you can see this has been successfully posted, and you have to click on done so that the picture gets saved along with your created signatures. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create signatures and can paste them on a picture on an iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.